Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive right into how to use Notion for storyboarding, your full 2025 guide. Let's get started. The first step is to create a new page in Notion. Simply open up Notion and click on the plus Add a Page button. The reason we do this is to have a clean, dedicated space for our storyboard. This helps us keep ideas organized and focused. Now that we've done that, let's move on to our next step, creating a table. On your new page, click on the plus Add a Block button and select Table. This will allow us to organize our storyboard in a clear, visual way. A table helps to structure your narrative, breaking it down into manageable chunks so you can see the flow of your story at a glance. The third step is filling out your table. This involves adding scenes, descriptions, and any other notes to your table. To do this, click on the Add a New Entry in your table and start typing. This step is crucial because it's where you flesh out your ideas and start to see your story come to life. After that, I'd recommend using Notion's Properties feature to add extra information to your scenes. For example, you can add a status property to keep track of your progress. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These properties act like tags, helping you organize and filter your storyboard based on different criteria. For instance, you can quickly see which scenes are still in the idea phase and which ones are ready for production. Finally, take advantage of Notion's Comments feature. Simply highlight any text and click on the Add a Comment button to note down any thoughts or feedback. This is particularly useful when collaborating with others, as it keeps all communication within the context of the storyboard, cutting down on confusion. And there you have it, a streamlined approach to using Notion for storyboarding. Remember, the beauty of Notion is in its flexibility. You can tweak and customize these steps to fit your unique storytelling process. Thanks for joining us today. Keep creating, keep storyboarding, and we'll catch up in the next one.